Wills and trusts essentially do the same thing. They both say, here's who gets my money when I pass away. Here's where my life savings is going to go and how it goes to them. But a will, the drawback is that it's got to go through the public probate process. The benefit, it's probably a little cheaper to do up front. Whereas a living trust, also known as a revocable living trust, is going to be a little more expensive up front. But the benefits, it's a private process. You don't have to wait on the probate courts. If you have an LLC in particular, you don't have to worry about the continuity issues that you might have to worry about if you didn't have it set up. So there's a lot of benefits to a trust, but which one's right for you? We need to have that conversation to figure out. People commonly confuse the word will and living will. And a will is a last will and testament. That's saying who gets my assets when I pass away. A living will says if I'm on life support, do I want to be unplugged or plugged in? And then you've got the living trust. A living trust is also known as a revocable living trust because it's revocable. You can make changes to it. And it's living, meaning it's a living document while you're alive. But like a will, it says who's going to get your assets when you pass away. And the main differences between them are a last will and testament is going to have to go through the probate process, which is public, and a living trust is not going to have to go through that probate process because it's a private document. You can create your own will. You can create your own living will, your own powers of attorney online quickly and cheaply, but cost is only important in the absence of value. And we see clients come in all the time who did their own documents and they did them wrong. They didn't sign them. They didn't have the proper witnesses. They had the money accidentally going to the wrong person or going to the right person but at the wrong time. Or they weren't even taking into consideration the fact that they had a blended family or they had a large estate that could have estate tax issues. So we think it's crucial that you talk to an attorney, even if you ultimately decide to do it on your own. We've done over 1,000 wills and trusts here and powers of attorney and pre-need guardianship and burial and cremation and looking at the deeds, the warranty deeds, the transfer on death deeds, the ladybird deeds, the LLCs and what happens to those when you pass away. So we have worked with over 1,000 clients and we'd be honored to talk to you. I believe our clients hire us because we're responsive. We tend to get back to them quickly when they contact us. We give very personalized service. It's not handing off to clerks here and there. We have upfront pricing that's transparent on our website, and that's very different for our industry, which is typically not going to tell you the price up front. We have extremely competitive fees, and on our personal injury contingency cases, we have lower contingency fees than industry average. I think to know what our clients would say about us, you could just go online and read the reviews. There's over 500 reviews across Yelp, Google, Justia, Avvo, lots of different places next door where people leave reviews. And the things that they tend to say about us is we have personalized service, we're efficient. We are a firm where they didn't have the stress and anxiety that they thought they would feel when they were seeking out a law firm. They enjoyed the one-on-one style service that we provide, and they've just really enjoyed working with us, and we enjoy our clients. Like, we get a lot of gratitude ourselves in serving our clients. Client communication is vital. Clients need to know that we care. And one of the ways they get to see that we care is by a quick response. Now, we're not always able to call them back immediately, but really as a firm, we have a goal of trying to contact them within 7 minutes. We can't guarantee that, but we try hard and we try to email them and call them back or text them just as quickly as we can because it sets the pace for who we are as a firm. We're responsive, we're personalized, and we really care about them. And if we take days to get back to them, they're not going to think that we care. We really do care, and it shows in our response times. We are a small boutique firm, and I think that serves our clients well because they get that individualized one-on-one service, that customization where they're not just being pawned off to another lower level attorney or to a clerk or to an admin. We're really getting in deep with them one-on-one with the attorney they're working with, or in some cases we have a few attorneys that we work with. But I think that small boutique-y feel really helps our clients know that they're going to get the service that they deserve. When you contact us, we will respond just as quickly as we possibly can by email, phone, or text, and we're going to have a conversation. And you can even book an appointment online so you don't have to go between. It's very simple for you to do. Then we're going to have that meeting, which can be by phone, Zoom, or in person, and we're going to listen to you. We're going to give you a questionnaire ahead of time to fill out, and that's going to be the framework for our conversation. We're going to find out where you are, what kind of life savings you have, who you want the money to go to, and then we're going to together make the best decisions of how to plan for your estate.